Hello. Hello, ma'am. My name is Luke Nisnisan and I'm going to present a breadboarding for today. As you can see here, it's been light up, but let's start that all over again. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's start it all over again. This is what I have been using: a jumper wire, a 9-volt battery, a battery connector for 9 volts, and a resistor. As you can see that it's been connected to the positive side. All resistors need to be connected on the positive so that they can continue to resist and flow the electricity properly. So the positive red, the positive one is a red, this red one, and the negative is the black one. So if you see here, this top here is a positive, the lower one is a negative, and we have an IC. This IC is a NAND type, NAND gate, or NAND gate rather. And we have an LED here. As you can see here, the lower one is on the lower is the negative and the positive is the longer one. As you can see here, I will connect it back here. So this is a NAND truth table, as I explain that later on the video. So let's get started. The first one we need to connect is here. As you can see here, on the positive side of the resistor, this electricity flows through here. So we need to put this one here as to connect this to an IC gate called NAND. Now that we have connected that, what we need next is here the first pin later, that I will put this one later, and I'll explain that later why we need to put that later. So the second one we need to put, as you can see, we need to find the third pin. So this is 1, 2, and 3. We need to put this pin 3 in here. So let's put this in here. This pin will flow the electricity positive for our LED. By the way, let's move our LED up a bit. There we go. As we connect through that, let's connect our last pin of the IC onto the negative, as you can see here. There we go. And last one, we need to connect the last pin for our negative. So we need to put this one here. If you don't know why the negative has electricity, it's because we've had this connected through here. That's why it has connected through there. Now if we look through here, I will put this pin for the negative side of our LED. As you can see, it has not been lit up because I haven't put a battery yet. Now let's put on the battery. Now that we've put on the battery, as you can see, the LED is still not lit up. Do you know why is that? Because of this pin here. This pin can't connect or can't light up the LED because of the truth table about that I said earlier. So this is here. Even though it is 0, this is negative. 0, 0 to negative. So that means we need to put this on a negative so that it can turn on to 1. So see this here? We need to put this on the negative side so that it will light up directly. As you can see, it has lit up. It has lit up properly, and it doesn't explode the LED. It flows electricity properly without damaging the LED. That's the purpose of the resistor. The earlier LED that I've tried has exploded, like this one. There are two LEDs that I exploded earlier because I couldn't get the wire properly and I didn't use resistor. But now that you've used the resistor, it has properly maintained electricity. Thank you, ma'am, for listening for my explanation. Good day and God bless.